तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग ग्रेट. सो दिस इज माई फर्स्ट व्लॉग और आई एम नॉट गोना टेल यू मच इन माई व्लॉग. स्लोली यू विल गेट टू नो हु आई एम, व्हाट आई डू. सो बट लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग दैट वी आर गोइंग टू पलकत्ता. सो सी यू देयर. सो गाइज अभी बहुत भूख लगी मुझे एंड बिफोर वी गो टू पलकत्ता we'll have something from McDonald's. So let it come, then I'll show you what we are going to get. So guys, we got one McFlurry and French fry and one burger. Now see you in Kolkata. So guys, finally we have reached Kolkata. Let me tell you about Kolkata that this place is one of the expensive place in Qatar and it's very beautiful. It's made in island. तो अभी हम जाने वाले हैं पोर्ट एरिया जो पर्ल का सबसे फेमस लोकेशन है. सो सी यू गाइस देयर. So the thing is guys, you know, we had to go to that port area which is a famous location in Pearl, but it's like from here it's 7 minutes. So now we're gonna go, take our car, go there, then I will see you. So guys, right now I am in Port Arabia, which is like the famous spot of Pearl Qatar. So if you guys are visiting to Pearl Qatar, आप लोग विजिट किए होगे पहले भी, तो ऑफ कोर्स यू गाइस वुड हैव कम टू दिस प्लेस एंड इट्स ब्यूटीफुल. बिफोर आई शो दिस प्लेस आई विल टेल यू फ्यू थिंग्स दैट यू नो यू कैन बुक बोट्स ओवर हियर फॉर पार्टीज एंड एवरीथिंग. तो हैव अ लुक. और बात करना चाहूँगा कि जो साइड में आप देख सकते हैं, these all the places where you can find, you know, good restaurant to eat, and those all buildings, this is not hotels, these are apartments to live. You can like rent for like around, I'm not sure, but 15 to 20k QR you can get these apartments. तो इतना पैसा तो मेरे पास है नहीं, but I'm sure you guys will love to live over here. So thumbs up for this. So guys, जो मेरे friend आए थे मेरे साथ, one guy forgot his mask in the car, so I went to take his mask and it has been like 30 minutes, he didn't come back. What do you want? Guys, it's so hot outside, let me go inside. Oh, now I feel good. So this place is like, you know, all the shops are there. Good shops are there, even cafes are there, which I'm going to show you, and it's good. So guys, I walked a lot, trust me. I'm so hungry right now, so let's go and eat something, but not something heavy because we have dinner at the end. So we'll go and have some dessert, क्योंकि हम उल्टा चलते हैं ना यार, हमारा दिमाग भी उल्टा है. तो wherever we'll go, see you there. So guys, we came to Dip and Dip, right? Yeah, Dip and Dip, and we ordered, what did you order? Okay, I'll forget the order, whatever. When it comes, I'm gonna show you. Till that, enjoy the restaurant view. So guys, this is milkshake we ordered, and this is what is this? Crepe with ice cream and this lotus biscuit. So now we're gonna enjoy it, and then we'll see. So guys, finally we have reached city center, and I'm coming city center like after 1 year or something. Corona जिंदगी ख़राब कर दिया है. तो चलो चलते हैं city center, and we have to buy one watch in city center. That's why we came here especially. So let's go and get it. And so far so good. So guys, here we took the watch finally, and it was around 800, but the brand is amazing. So now let's see where we go. So guys, right now I'm so hungry, and let's go and eat something. I think we'll go Nando's or something, but wherever we go, we'll meet you there. So guys, I'm so hungry right now, and we are in Nando's, and I'm going to show you what I ordered. So guys, I ordered this one, grilled chicken strips and spicy rice. So let's wait till it comes, and then I'll show you. So guys, here is our meal. We have ordered, as I told you, this both is same, and this one is what is this?
Can you take from there? Butterfly.
What?
Butterfly chicken.
Okay, butterfly chicken. It doesn't fly, but yeah, butterfly chicken. So now we're gonna enjoy our meal, and after the meal I will see you. So take care. So it was nice, guys. We had a nice dinner, and then let's go. So guys, I think that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like कर देना यार, please. I need your support, guys. And it was my first vlog, so थोड़ा video इधर उधर हो जाएगा. But I'll see you guys in the next vlog. तब तक के लिए take care, मा सलामा, and keep smiling.